Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This video is a little different because I'm documenting something personal. My very first trade on Binance. Whether you're curious, nervous, or already on your own trading journey, I'm here to walk you through every detail. From signing up, making my first deposit, choosing what to buy, placing the order, and of course, showing you whether I made a profit or a loss. Let's find out if my first trade was a smart move or a complete rookie mistake. Before I even made a trade, I had to decide where to trade. After weeks of research, Binance came out on top. Why? It's the world's largest exchange by volume. It supports a huge number of coins. It has a user-friendly mobile and desktop interface. And most importantly, it's packed with features for both beginners and pros. As a complete beginner, I didn't want to risk using a shady platform. I wanted reliability and liquidity, and Binance checked those boxes. Setting up my account was pretty straightforward. Here's what I did. Signed up using email, verified identity through KYC, uploaded my ID and took a selfie, turned on 2FA with Google Authenticator, added an anti-phishing code to secure my email notifications. Pro tip, don't skip these steps. Crypto is serious business, and scams are real. You're your own bank now, so lock that vault. For my first trade, I wanted to keep it simple and safe. I deposited $100 using USDT, a stablecoin that stays close to $1. Why USDT? Because it acts like digital dollars on Binance, and almost all trading pairs are based on it. I used Binance's P2P marketplace to buy USDT using local currency. It took less than 10 minutes, and the funds showed up in my spot wallet immediately. This was probably the hardest part. There are thousands of coins on Binance. So how did I choose? I narrowed it down to 3. Bitcoin. Obvious choice, but I wanted more volatility. Ethereum ETH, solid fundamentals and lots of movement. Solana, newer, fast but riskier. I decided to go with ETH UST. Why? It has huge daily volume, less risk of sudden rug pulls, and it's the second largest crypto by market cap. Felt like a safer bet for a first-timer. When I first opened the trading page, my brain froze. It looked like something out of a sci-fi movie. Order books, charts, depth indicators, candlesticks. It was a lot, but I took 30 minutes to just observe. I hovered over every button, watched how price moves, read Binance tutorials, and learned the difference between a limit order and a market order. As a beginner, I decided to go with a market order. It's the simplest. You buy at the current market price instantly. This was the moment. I entered 100T into the market order box, selected ETH USDT, and clicked buy. I instantly saw ETH show up in my balance, 0.027 ETH to be exact. It was a strange feeling, part excitement, part anxiety. Did I just do something smart, or was that the dumbest $100 move ever? The trade was done. Now the waiting game began. I checked the price after 1 hour, down 0.4%. My balance was about $19.60. After 3 hours, it rebounded to $100.30. After 24 hours, I ended up at $101.12, so technically, I made a profit. Not huge, but enough to boost confidence. What did I learn from this first real experience? Always double-check the trading pair. Don't go all in, use small amounts. Avoid emotional trading. No FOMO. Know your exit plan before entering. Document your trades, track what worked and what didn't. I almost bought the wrong coin. There are lots of copycats on Binance. I also almost placed a 10x leveraged order because I clicked on the Futures tab by accident. One mistake, and I could have wiped out my balance. Lesson: take your time. The market isn't going anywhere. Honestly, yes, Binance felt safe, responsive, and the tools are top tier. But I'll stick to spot trading for now. I'm not touching leverage or futures until I understand risk management better. So, was my first Binance trade a success or a fail? I'll say it was a tiny success, but a huge learning moment. If you're just getting started, I encourage you to do your first trade with a small amount. Take notes and focus more on education than quick profits. Drop a comment. What was your first trade? Did you profit or panic? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share this with another beginner.